Welcome to EDU World Space.
In this problem, a small car is pushing a large truck due east on a level road. The car exerts a horizontal force of 1200 Newton on the truck, and we have to find out the magnitude of the force that the truck exerts on the car. So, force by car on truck is equal to 1200 Newton in magnitude. Now, from Newton's third law, every action has equal and opposite reaction, which means the force by truck on car will be equal to negative of force by car on truck. The negative sign indicates the opposite direction of the force. So force by truck on car will be minus 1200 Newton. This shows that the force is opposite to the force by the car on the truck. So the magnitude of force by truck on car will be equal to 1200 Newton, and this is the required solution. Thank you.